Hello everyone, this is Veronica Buzzing with V. Thank you for tuning in. Today's video is going to be a winnings from Sunshine Honeybees, and I'm happy to share this with you. I did win this a while ago, anytime, but I received it on the 25th, so I'm uploading now, and just wanted to share. I still wanted to upload this. I'm going to turn this around and share with you guys. And so let's see what's in here. I wasn't sure what I won. I'm not sure if she posted that or not. Wasn't aware. I couldn't keep up at the time. There's a lot of stuff happening in my life. And so, whoa, what is this? Oh, does there leave anything else in there? No. Okay, so some things fell. I'm going to pick them up. Okay, it's these pom-poms that fell. Super awesome. Look at all this stuff. Okay, let's see what this is. So I won some of these. I'm going to try not to show my nails. So yeah, it looks like I won these jemmies. They look like they're kind of like a plastic. And so yeah, awesome. I won some paper clips, and there's a few of them here. And so look at that. She made this one. This one is cute. It's kind of like a stamp. So yeah, that one's cute. And then this one she made, and it's like a medallion. Super cute. And then this pom-pom one, which is fun. And then we have all these little pom-poms and some felt flowers. And so we'll put all that over here. And I believe, earrings, and they are scissor earrings that she shared with me. And you know, I won't be using these for earrings. They're going on some embellishment. So I'm gonna do this with one hand. I don't want you guys to see my nails. Super embarrassed, but I had to get this up. It's been too long. And so I have the time now, so I better do it. So here we are. One hand, Veronica. Okay, here I won some stamps, and they are floral stamps by Studio 112. Awesome. Thank you so much. Then I want some Craft Smart. Ooh, these are cute. Craft Smart stamps and a die. Aren't these foxes cute? They are super cute. Thank you, girl. And Craft Smart embossing folder and a clear stamp, which this is really awesome. I haven't seen these there. And these easy stick-ons right there, if you could see them. I guess they're stickers. They're sort of like 3D stickers. Super cute. And then this stupendous stamp of a lion. That is a king right there. And some sticker art. Look at these. And Lucky Star. This looks like felt stickers, and they say Prince on them, a crown. And then K and Company, and this is like a 3-piece card ideas, it says. So I guess I could use it as an interactive card. Ooh, that's pretty awesome. I definitely need to up my game on handmade cards, because I do not know how to make cards anymore, which I used to. Look at this. Bling. She shared some bling with me. Thank you. Oh my goodness. I do not have these at my DT. Aren't they beautiful? I love Dollar Tree stickers. If they're cute and nice, I love them. I don't care where they come from. I love DT stickers. Seriously, those are nice. Thank you so much. And then this little pouch, let me unzip it. And I've seen these at the Dollar Tree and I love these. They're really nice. You can keep all your stuff in here. And oh my goodness, I won this. I have the Fireside 12 by 12, which I used last winter. And now I could use this 6 by 6 for this coming December. And definitely need to do a traditional Christmas something because I've been doing nothing but pink and gold because those are my colors. Oh my goodness, you sent these? Thank you. I love cursive stamp sentiments. I think they're just so elegant. And I love these. These are good ones. Thank you. Thanks. Welcome. Thinking of you. Beautiful day. You're awesome. And then some of this bling, which I've never seen before. Kind of looks like a Christmas tree star. I've never seen these. What are they? Is this like a net? This is cool. Thank you. I like that. And then lastly, ooh, we have some more bling. And these are very pretty. Thank you for these. I love those. They have like shimmer pinks and purples. And then these coffee cup stickers. Thank you so much. Definitely will be using these for cards. Thank you. And another paper clip. It's a little flower one and it's handmade. So we got 4 handmade paper clips. We got some bling right here. Right here. And Sunshine Honeybees, thank you so much for all of this. I enjoyed your challenge and thank you for picking me. And your husband did. It was your husband. I remember I was thanking you, saying your husband is a swell guy. So thank you so much for this, and hopefully I can join your next challenge, not this one that is happening now, because I'm super backed up with winnings, and I have a few swaps going on, but definitely will try to make the next challenge. And you guys, I'm gonna link Sunshine Honeybees in the description below. If you're able to, please go check her out. She has an awesome channel. She's very kind-hearted and she's very crafty, and you'll have fun on her channel. And she is my Diane's best friend, so you will definitely love her if you love Diane. So thank you so much, Sunshine Honeybees, and I will see you guys later. Bye!